doing good and as if at your home. So viewers, guess what I have done or what will I show in my today's video. So I have prepared one game called Fill My Tummy on a coding platform called Scratch. Do you know what is Scratch? Scratch is a visual programming language that helps students to create their own interactive games, stories and animation. It is a free programming language which is developed by MIT. So let's see how I have created a game on this app. So this is exactly what I have prepared. I have taken 3 types of sprites. Those are a bat, some butterflies and some dinosaurs. And also I have taken a backdrop of jungle, as you can see here. Here I have shown a scoreboard. So the scoreboard tells the score of the participants. And there is one more element here, lives. In a single game, the bat will have only 3 lives. And here I want to tell you one thing, that the bat will move according to our computer's mouse direction. So the main target in this game is to fill the bat's tummy by helping him to eat butterflies and to protect him from dinosaurs coming on its way. So let's see how. To start the game, we have to click on this green flag. So let's click. So now my game is starting. 3, 2, 1. Let's start. Oh, I'm very hungry. I'm an evil bat. Let's eat these butterflies. Ha 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 ha. If I will not be able to eat at least 20 butterflies, then I am a noob. Bats, please spare me. Please don't eat me. Please, bats, please spare me. Oh, my one life is gone. Shit. Oh, I just have to eat 20 and I'm not a noob. Hee hee. And I'm dead. Wow! Isn't it amazing? I really enjoyed the game. So let's see how I have prepared it. So this is the coding that I have done for all these 3 sprites to make the game more interesting and joyful. And I have used these assigned motions, looks, costumes, direction, events, control, sensing, etc. to make them move and work accordingly. So you can also try and make the game just like I had done. So viewers, that is all about today's video. I hope you liked my today's video. So well, if you did, please like my video and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to watch more interesting videos. But don't forget the name of my channel, Reflective Ransh. Till then, take care everyone and bye bye.